اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم
بسم
ساری
اللہ الرحمن.
ساری تعریفیں خداوند متعال کے لیے کہ جس کے قبضہ قدرت میں اس پوری کائنات کا ہر نظام ہے، اور درود و سلام ہو محمد و آل محمد کے گھرانے کے لیے۔ اللہم صلی علی محمد و آل محمد۔ السلام علیکم friends. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, productivity, and how we can boost it with simple tricks. Our daily life becomes easier and more successful when we manage time wisely and build good habits. For this purpose, I will have a short conversation with Colin and ask some key questions.
That sounds, I'm excited to hear about it. If you need any help with the conversation or anything else, just let me know. Let's boost that productivity. Absolutely. I'm here whenever you're ready. Just let me know how I can assist and we'll make it happen together.
Thank you so much. What are simple daily habits that can improve productivity?
There are quite a few simple habits that can really make a difference. For example, starting your day with a clear to-do list, setting aside specific times for checking emails, taking short breaks to avoid burnout, and making sure you get enough sleep. Even things like staying hydrated and having a healthy breakfast can really help.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you: how important is planning the day in the morning or the night before?
Planning your day either the night before or in the morning can make a difference. Doing it the night before helps you start the day with a clear direction and reduces morning stress. On the other hand, planning in the morning can help you adapt to any changes or new priorities that have come up. Both approaches have their benefits, so it's really about what works best for you.
More example, ChatGPT.
बिल्कुल मैं समझ गया अगर आपको
English
और
में
भी ठीक है मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि मैं आपको आसान और वाज़ेह तरीके
इंग्लिश
से
में
जवाब
बोले, इंग्लिश में बोले।
Got it. I'll keep it in English. If you have any other questions or need any more examples, just let me know.
Okay, thank you so much. Can small breaks during work really increase efficiency?
They definitely can. Taking short breaks helps your brain rest and can actually improve focus and productivity in the long run. It keeps you from feeling too overwhelmed and helps maintain your energy levels.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. My next question to you: how does eliminating distractions like phone or social media help in focusing better?
Eliminating distractions like your phone or social media can really help you stay in the zone. It allows you to concentrate fully on the task at hand without constantly shifting your attention. This can lead to deeper focus, better quality of work, and ultimately increased productivity.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. More explain.
Of course, when we remove distractions, our brain doesn't have to constantly switch between tasks, which can be mentally draining. By staying focused on one thing at a time, we process information more efficiently and make fewer mistakes. It also helps us get into a state of flow where we're more creative and productive. It's amazing how much of a difference it can make.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you: how do you think the Pomodoro technique?
The Pomodoro technique is a great method for boosting productivity. It involves working in short, focused intervals, usually about 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This approach helps maintain high levels of focus and keeps your mind fresh. It also makes large tasks feel more manageable and helps prevent burnout. It's definitely worth trying out.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you: how can a person stay motivated when they feel lazy or tired?
Staying motivated when you're feeling lazy or tired can be challenging, but a few strategies can really help. Setting small, achievable goals can give you a sense of accomplishment and build momentum. Also, rewarding yourself after completing a task, even a small one, can boost your motivation. Another helpful tip is to change your environment a bit, which can refresh your mind. And of course, taking a moment to remind yourself of the bigger picture and why you're doing something can really reignite that spark.
Thank you so much, GPT. More explain.
Absolutely. Another way to stay motivated is to break tasks into even smaller steps so they feel less overwhelming. Sometimes just starting can build momentum, and you might find that once you begin, it's easier to keep going. Also, surrounding yourself with positive influences, whether that's people who inspire you or motivational content, can make a big difference. And don't forget the power of a good routine. When things become a habit, it's much easier to stay consistent and motivated.
Okay, thank you so much, GPT. My next question to you: do you recommend writing tasks in a to-do list or using digital tools for productivity?
Both methods have their own advantages, so it really comes down to personal preference. Writing tasks by hand can help with memory retention and can feel more satisfying as you physically cross things off. On the other hand, digital tools can be super convenient, especially if you like to set reminders, prioritize tasks, and access your list from multiple devices. You can even combine both approaches to get the best of both worlds.
Thank you so much, GPT. This question explain more.
Absolutely. When it comes to handwritten to-do lists, the act of writing can help you process your tasks more deeply, and it can be quite satisfying to physically check things off. It also allows for a bit of creativity, like doodling or making notes in the margins. On the flip side, digital tools offer flexibility and organization. You can set deadlines, get reminders, categorize tasks, and even collaborate with others. Plus, you can access them from anywhere. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that fits your workflow and keeps you consistent.
Okay, thank you so much. My next question to you: what role does sleep, diet, and exercise play in boosting productivity?
Sleep, diet, and exercise are absolutely fundamental to productivity. Quality sleep helps you consolidate memories, process information, and maintain focus. Without enough sleep, it's harder to think clearly and stay energized. A balanced diet fuels your body and mind with the nutrients needed for sustained energy and cognitive function. Regular exercise boosts mood, reduces stress, and improves overall brain function. When all three are in balance, you'll find it much easier to stay productive and feel your best.
Okay, thank you so much, GPT, uh, for sharing these valuable insights. Friends, today we learned the real success don't only depend on big goals but on small and consistent daily habits. If we value our time, reduce distractions, and take care of our health, we can definitely boost our productivity. I hope this conversation will be helpful for all of us. May Allah bless us with both knowledge and action. Thank you so much.
That was such a wonderful wrap up. I'm really glad you found the conversation helpful. If you ever need any more tips or just want to chat, I'm here for you. Take care and keep shining.
Okay, ChatGPT, why can I learn English?
Learning English can open up so many opportunities, whether it's for personal growth, professional advancement, or connecting with people from around the world. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding journey. If you ever need any help or resources along the way, I'm here to support you.
Okay, thank you, Miss, so much. Where can I learn English?
There are lots of great places to learn English. You can try online platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, or even YouTube channels that focus on language learning. You can also join language exchange communities or even take classes at a local institution. The key is to practice consistently and have fun with it.
With whom can I learn English?
You can definitely learn English in a way that fits your style and schedule, whether you prefer self-paced apps, interactive classes, or immersive experiences like speaking with native speakers. There's something out there for everyone. Just find what works best for you and enjoy the journey.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. If you ever need any more help or have any questions, just let me know.